Yep, we got 23 M. Yeah, double header.
AC40. No, that's a Gevo.
Yep, nothing noteworthy.
Nope, and this train usually isn't much to see either.
Yeah. I know I'm talking about. Knick-knack, paddywhack, winner bone.
You know, so feel bad right now.
Now the question is when the next train is, but the question is when. Look at the name in the game is patience.
Obviously, it's patience.
Yep.
Though some people don't really know.
Yep. A lot of people ask, where the next train is? Where the next train is? Like, I.
When it shows up.
Yep. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 5 hours. And any class 1 railroad that had no time limit. Because a lot of us know about it. A lot of people don't. Yeah, I don't think nothing else coming this way. West over east right now. Plus have an end, you're gonna wait for 23 M to pass.
Yep.
What's going on up there at Paxton?
Oh, no idea.
Completely disappeared off there.
Oh, 202.
It's 202 in the yard. Yeah, it was off that large line running up to the top. It disappeared off there.
Yep.
Yeah, he's gone. So that long one, he's gone.
The guys took the fuel pad.
What, that's the fuel pad?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't much to see on this one.
Nope.
Sounds about like normal.
Yep, seems like a normal 23M. Chicago line will see this train tomorrow. Probably.
Maybe. Maybe.
Who knows?
Oh hey, the guy's about to leave the fuel pad.
What, do you get the light?
It's green up to Rockville.